This is Forever Rain in the key of C. Make sure to stop the video and click on the description below because I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in this song, I've just kind of simplified it down to the basics. So we have C, F, G, and A minor, and that's it, okay? So let's go through those chords. C, E, G is a C major chord. Find that by looking for the group of 2 black notes. C is right next to the, okay? C major. Then we have F major. You find that by looking for the group of 3. F, A, C, F major chord. Okay, and then we have a G. If you just move your hand up one position, G, B, D. G major chord. And then our A minor, you can just move up one set of notes again, and we are in the A minor position. A, C, E. Okay, and you can play any of these chords anywhere. So if you want to play it here, or if you want to come down here and play it, the A minor, or if you want to play the C up here or the C down here, there's a lot of flexibility when you're chording. Okay, so let's play left-hand notes. We're just going to play single notes. So we're going to play C when we play that C major chord. Okay, G to G, and then F to F, and then A minor to A in the bass. Okay, so they're just lining up single note to chord. Okay, that's just a simple way to play it. Okay, so for the rhythm to bring the 2 hands together, this is written in 4/4 times. So a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, or 1:2 ratio is going to just work to give you a good strong foundation to playing this song, okay? Might be a new beginner or new to chording. It's just kind of a real simple guideline to be able to play it. All right, so let's look at verse 1. We're actually just playing C, then the G chord, C, and G. Okay, so you can just get your hand used to playing that progression, C and G back and forth, and that'll take care of your verse 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we'll get into the chorus in a minute. So let's see how it sounds when we add in some vocals, okay? You are good, when there's nothing good in me. You are love, on display for all to see. You are light, when the darkness closes in. You are hope, you have covered all my sin. Okay, so if bringing the 2 hands together is too complex, you can just kind of remove this left hand until your right hand kind of gets used to that new rhythm and kind of going back and forth between C and G. Okay, so let's take a look at that chorus. That's kind of just the more complex part of this song, okay? But it's really basic when we break it down. All right, so let's go. Oh, I'm running to your G chord. Arms, I'm running to your A minor. Arms, your riches of your G. Love will always be enough is F. Enough, when nothing comes, A minor, pairs to your embrace. Light of the world, A minor, forever reign. Light of the world, forever reign. Okay, so you're going to play this kind of the step down pattern here. A minor, G, F. Okay, see, you're going to play that a lot in the chorus. So if you notice patterns in your music, it helps simplify this chording method a lot. A minor, G, F. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at that bridge. We go A minor, my heart will sing, F. No other name, C. Jesus, G, Jesus. And then we can go to the A minor again, loop back in. My heart will sing, no other name, Jesus, Jesus. And then you can loop back into the chorus if you want. Oh, I'm running to your arms, I'm running to your arms. The riches of your love will always be enough. Okay, and then you go back into that step down. Light of the world forever reign. Okay, remember that verse 1, 2, and 3 are the same, so you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Like I said, remove that left hand if bringing two hands together is too much for you to handle right away. You can do it. Let's go. You are good when there's nothing good in me. You are love on display for all to see. You are light when the darkness closes in. You are hope, you have covered all my sin. You are peace when my fear is crippling. You are true, even in my wandering. You are joy, you're the reason that I sing. You are life, in you death has lost its sting. I'm running to your arms, the riches of your love will always be enough, and nothing compares to your embrace. Light of the world forever reign. Light of the world forever reign. You are more than my words will ever say. You are Lord, all creation will proclaim. You are here, in your presence I'm made whole. You are God, of all else I'm letting go. I'm running to your arms, the riches of your love will always be enough, and nothing compares to your embrace. Light of the world and ever reign. Light of the world ever reign. My heart will sing no other name. Jesus. My heart will sing no other name. Jesus. My heart will sing no other name. Jesus. I'm running to your arms, the riches of your love will always be enough, and nothing compares to your embrace. Light of the world forever reign. Light of the world forever reign. Nothing compares to your embrace. Light of the world and